Good afternoon. Thank you very much for giving me the permission to make the video for education purpose. Please, can you tell me your age?
I'm 39.
And you had left knee ACL rupture plus complex meniscal injury. Is that true?
That's correct, yes.
And when did I do the ACL reconstruction with augmented tape plus meniscal repair?
8 weeks ago.
Tell me, how is your symptoms now?
Symptoms are fine. Pain is, well, there's no pain at all.
And how was your
movement is
experience
good.
of surgery?
Surgery was good. Very quick, very swift.
Perfect.
Painless experience.
Let's have a look at the range of movement. Make your leg straight for me
Okay.
and bend it. And are you having regular physio?
Yes, I'm having physio bi-weekly.
And how much painkillers you are taking?
None.
Okay, so the whole purpose of doing this knee surgery was to bring your knee back to the normality. I'll speak in my native language as well. तो मकसद क्या था कि हम इस पेशेंट की नी को दोबारा उसी कंडीशन में ले आएं जिस तरह पहले था. What sports you play?
I used to play rugby, but now predominantly cycling.
Okay, and I'm very hopeful that we have removed the hinge knee brace. उसकी वजह है कि we've done the meniscal repair. That's why we used hinge. We'll have removed the hinge knee brace. He will start doing more focused exercise, and I'm hopeful in next few weeks he'll be on his bike, enjoying his life. Thank you very much.
I hope so.